How do you show the work you've done to get the kind of work you want to do? Portfolios are windows into our creativity. They grab attention and open up new opportunities. Crafting a portfolio is a deeply personal process that can stir up all sorts of insecurities. I've often been too busy doing the work to update my own portfolio. And I've had multiple career pivots. I got started in branding and user experience design before getting into service design and content creation. I have work from the past that I'm proud of that I wouldn't necessarily lead with today. I've wondered how to make sense of it all. And that's part of what inspired this course. The Portfolio Development Studio from AIGA will help you curate and present your best work. You'll get guidance and feedback from industry experts, the support of your fellow designers, and the confidence to tell your own story. Are you ready to show the world what you can do? I hope you'll join us.